How to make homemade prime hydration drink Meta Moon. Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly extraordinary to share with you.
Introducing Prime Hydration Drink Meta Moon. Unlock the power within. Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back our multi-recipe and cookery channel today. We have something truly extraordinary to share with you. Get ready to elevate your hydration game with the all-new Prime Hydration Drink Meta Moon. In this video, we'll reveal the incredible ingredients and preparation methods that make this drink a game changer. Let's jump right in. Standing in a brightly lit kitchen, showcasing the Prime Hydration Drink Meta Moon bottle. First things first, let's talk about the amazing ingredients that make Meta Moon so unique and powerful. It's packed with a combination of carefully selected natural ingredients that work synergistically to give you the ultimate hydration experience. Ingredient 1: Moonstone Extract. Our secret ingredient is the mystical Moonstone Extract. Known for its extraordinary properties, it helps enhance your body's natural hydration abilities. Moonstone Extract replenishes electrolytes and provides a boost of energy, leaving you feeling revitalized and ready to conquer the day. Ingredient 2: Coconut Water. Next up, we have the ever-refreshing coconut water. Not only does it taste delicious, but it's also a rich source of essential electrolytes like potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Coconut water is nature's hydration hero, helping you stay hydrated while enjoying a tropical twist. Ingredient 3: Himalayan Pink Salt. To ensure optimal hydration, we've added a pinch of Himalayan Pink Salt. This natural salt is loaded with trace minerals that promote hydration and maintain a healthy fluid balance in your body. It's the perfect addition to replenish what you've lost during intense workouts or hot summer days. Ingredient 4: Aloe Vera Gel. We've also included the soothing power of Aloe Vera Gel. It's known for its hydrating properties and provides a cooling effect, making Meta Moon a refreshing and calming beverage. Aloe Vera Gel supports healthy digestion and contributes to overall well-being. Preparation method. Now that you know the incredible ingredients, let's see how easy it is to prepare Meta Moon. Places a glass on the kitchen counter and pours the Prime Hydration Drink Meta Moon into it. Step 1. Grab your favorite glass or shaker. Step 2. Give the bottle a gentle shake to ensure all the ingredients are well mixed. Step 3. Pour the vibrant Meta Moon into your glass. And voila! Your Meta Moon hydration drink is ready to be enjoyed. Remember, you can have Meta Moon at any time of the day, whether you're hitting the gym, heading to work, or simply relaxing at home. It's the perfect companion to keep you hydrated and feeling your best. That's a wrap on our Prime Hydration Drink Meta Moon journey. We hope you're as excited about it as we are. Don't forget to check out the description box below for more information on where to get your hands on this incredible elixir of hydration. Stay hydrated, stay energized, and unlock the power within with Prime Hydration Drink Meta Moon. See you in the next video. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Are you a food lover with a passion for cooking? Look no further. Welcome to our multi-recipe and cookery channel, where culinary creativity knows no bounds. Subscribe now to join our vibrant community of food enthusiasts and embark on a flavorful journey like no other. From tantalizing appetizers to mouth-watering main courses and delectable desserts, we've got you covered with a wide range of recipes that will inspire your inner chef. Get ready to explore new flavors, discover exciting techniques, and master the art of creating unforgettable meals. Subscribe today and let's create culinary magic together.